Good morning, fourth period. Today is Monday, December 10th, and I'm Carl. No, I'm not. I'm Mr. Kelly. Guys, I miss you. I wish I could be there today, but I can't. First of all, great job on your test on Friday. You guys did very well. I don't recall what the average score was here. Maybe I can look it up. Go to my reporting section here. See how long this takes us. Find us an answer here. We are fourth period. See, the average test result there is 92%. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty good, guys. As I recall, Andrew, Allison, and Lorelei, you are the three that need to take that test. Please stay with me after school today, and we will finish it, and we all get 100%. Seriously, Andrew, Allison, Lorelei, stay with me today after school. Everybody else, great job. There were no tough ones on our test, so that's a great sign. Today, to start, please watch CNN 10. Listen, watch, and complete the quiz right here. Then we are starting a new unit. Yes, we are. Oh, yes. It's called Voting and Elections. And it is our third unit. You will be taking some notes to start. I know, it's exciting. So exciting. You will watch the slide presentation, scroll through, and then take notes. Presentation and notes. You can handle it. I know it. I know you can handle this. After the notes, which everybody needs to finish today, you then need to, or you have a choice. You can complete your project. You can complete a crossword puzzle on citizenship. Or you may play more Immigration Nation. Those are your choices. Those are your only choices for today. Guys, take care. Comb your hair. And I will see you on Wednesday. Guys.